Meaning of fevered.
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 Fevered. The term fevered refers to a state of having a fever, which is an elevated body temperature often caused by illness or infection. When a person's body temperature rises above normal, it can cause a range of symptoms such as sweating, chills, headaches, and muscle aches. In some cases, a fever can be a sign of a more serious underlying condition. Treatment for a fever usually involves rest, hydration, and over-the-counter medications such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. It is important to seek medical attention for persistent or high fevers.